vocabulary, vocabulary. Phrase, phrase. Abstract, abstract. Scrutinize, scrutinize. Century, century. Diction, attention, sycophant, bachelor. Now, if you take a very good view of what we have right here on the board, you're going to see that we've actually touched most of the sounds we are going to see here. Most of the combinations we have done are here, okay? So the essence of this word pronunciation is for us to actually know that this is what it is, okay? When you see us say come, it doesn't just manufacture that. It is out of the words we have in English language that we get the sounds. So the essence of segmenting it this way is for us to know that whenever you want to pronounce a word and you find it somewhat difficult to pronounce, just make sure to split them according to how they can be splitted. You know, some can be splitted in 2, some in 3, some in combination of 2, 3, and 4. All right. So the essence of doing this basically is for us to know that any word, every word in English language can actually be pronounced. And if you find it difficult to do that, just split it just like I'm doing mine right here. So if you're a beginner and you're actually finding it difficult to pronounce words, this is how you're gonna do the magic, and trust me, you're gonna get it right, okay? And if you're just joining me, welcome to the class. This is what we do here. This is English Affairs 101, and I am Tina. So welcome to the family, and you can actually join this family by subscribing. And if you're my returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around. If you are just joining us, make sure to watch the previous videos on the previous sounds we have studied so far, the ones we have tried pronouncing so far, so you're gonna know how we actually get to this point, okay? So let's progress with the video. Can you try pausing this video at this junction so that I can try pronouncing any of these, maybe 2, 3, 4, or 5 out of what I have right here, and see if actually you are getting along with the lesson. Segmentation, segmentation, segmentation. Terminate, terminate, terminate. Specialization, specialization, specialization. Abolition, abolition, abolition. Terminology, 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 terminology. Characteristic, characteristic, characteristic. Pharmaceutical, 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 pharmaceutical. Epiphany, 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 epiphany put together. Callous, callous, loss, callous. Ventilation, ventilation, ventilation. Discrimination, 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 discrimination. Culinary, culinary, culinary. Experience, 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 experience. Destination, destination, destination. Conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. Incumbent, incumbent, incumbent. Industry, industry, industry. miserable, 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 miserable. Indicate, 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 indicate. Alacrity, 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 alacrity. Sentiment, sentiment, sentiment. So let's go over it again. Vocabulary, vocabulary, vocabulary. Phrase, 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 phrase. Abstract, abstract, abstract. Scrutinize, scrutinize, scrutinize. Century, century, century. Diction, diction, diction. Attention, attention, attention. Sycophant, sycophant. Bachelor, bachelor. Segmentation, segmentation. Terminate, terminate. Specialization, specialization. Abolition, abolition. Terminology, terminology. Anyone you choose. Characteristic, characteristic, characteristic. Pharmaceutical, pharmaceutical. Epiphany, epiphany. Callous, callous, callous. Ventilation, ventilation, ventilation. Discrimination, discrimination, discrimination. Culinary, culinary, culinary. Experience, experience, experience. Destination, destination. Conclusion, conclusion, conclusion. Incumbent, 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 incumbent. Industry, industry, industry. Miserable, miserable, miserable. Indicate, indicate, indicate. Alacrity, alacrity, alacrity. Sentiment, sentiment. So this is what it is for today's video, and I hope you got something out of today's lesson. I hope you learned something for yourself. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to stay safe. Bye for now.